Hi, this is CEO Marshall, MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard the 2020 Sailfish 220 center console. Starting in the back, she's powered by a 150 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha engine. On your starboard side, you have a live well, cup holders, rod holders, freshwater hose, boarding ladder. Moving up to the helm can comfortably seat two, where you'll find your Garmin, throttle, switches, radio. You'll notice a beautiful hardtop, which has your wet sound stereo speakers, additional rod holders, and additional storage. Moving up to take a look on the inside of the console, you'll notice your head, along with plenty of additional storage space. Up against the front of the console here, you have an additional seat. That leads you to the wraparound seating here in the bow, very comfortably. It does have these adjustable backrests, so when sitting, you can face forward. There is storage underneath all these cushions. Notice the stainless steel rails all along the sides of the boat, which leads you to that locker up the front. Again, this is the 2020 Sailfish 220 center console. For any questions, any additional information, please reach out to us at MarineMax Boston. Thank you.